This is Frank and McDonald, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Freezing rains headed towards Dallas, Texas on Saturday, January the 10th, 2015. It's going to bring lots of icy conditions. The road's going to turn into ice. It's going to be very icy roads, especially on interstate highways, streets, roads, and highways in Dallas, Texas, and Fort Worth and the surrounding areas. Since a very cold air is driving all the way from the northern United States, that's going to cause lots of freezing rain in Dallas, Texas on Saturday, January the 10th, 2015. Since it's going to be lots of icy conditions, especially on the bridges in Dallas, Texas and the surrounding areas. Because when it's raining outside, when the temperature is below freezing, water can turn into ice on the road surfaces, and it could be Sliver Thaw in Dallas, Texas on Saturday, January 10th, 2015. It's going to be a lot of ice, sea conditions. People in Dallas, Texas, be prepared. When you drive the car, take your time, drive the car. Slow down so you don't get in a car accident. Be very careful out there during the ice storm in Dallas on Saturday. When you go for a walk, take your time walking. Be very careful so you don't slip and fall in Dallas, Texas, and Fort Worth and surrounding areas. When you're driving on the interstate highways, be very careful. Make sure to have your salt trucks ready, because lots of freezing rain will happen in Dallas, Texas on Saturday, January 10th, 2015. If you have anybody living in Dallas, Texas, be prepared for freezing rain on Saturday, January 10th, 2015. Best of luck to you. People in Dallas, Texas, be prepared for freezing rain on Saturday. Take care, stay safe. Don't get hurt. Stay safe.